walking over hills and mountains and valleys, walking till I found home.
All right, let's go. Yeah.
Walking in beauty, forest flowers kind of
Hi, ducks. An egg. Jump in. Collect your eggs, Billy. Check that nest.
Or could you just do it not to me? One egg. One egg.
One egg.
One.
Thank you.
A pretty mystery.
Alright, I'll move.
She was really good at limbo.
Your sisters.
I'm not cute to you. I'm not cute to you. She's kind of taken it.
You want some Polony spinach?
Thank
Put that in the basket. Put that in the basket. Let's do green pancakes. All right, stuff some greens in.
Stuff some greens in. You know what? I'm not doing that. You want to turn it to like green?
Green, there you go. Do a couple scoops of that. Two. Two. Now we need 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
1.
I'm cooking pancakes, okay?
Okay.
Bean pancakes.
Which one?
Mom, I love bean pancakes.
Can you pour, let's see how much. That should be good. A little drip more. We'll blend that up. And then we're gonna have green.
Pancakes! You go to 21?
All right, now the flour.
It's actually really great. And I'm still a power.
Not, it shouldn't.
Aww. I want it.
Oops.
Did
you go,
we spill flour 10 times today?
Thank you.
Mom, I have to wash it.
You might splatter a little.
Yeah, it is. me. Wow, I did a great green. This one's a tricky one.
Got it.
That one. Then this one. What?
Ready?
Ready. Wait. This would be it.
Look how healthy they are.
They're good, actually. Oh, that's good, hey? Oh, that's good.
Think that's gonna fit all the meatballs on?
I don't know if I will fit them all on.
How many is there? Put all those on there?
Thank you for this food, this glorious, glorious food. To the animals and the vegetables and the minerals that make it possible. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right, I'm gonna start with the greens and pass those around.
Can I put the lid back on the salad dressing there?